I'm Celia Collin. And this is my beautiful hair. Very silky. And I'm proud of it. I want to make my hair smoother by moisturizing it by my hair care oil. It doesn't make my hair, greasy, but smoother. I know a lot of guys here want to see the greasy hair, right? I know it. So, more oil on the other side. And then we can brush it normally. It smells so good. Do you want to touch it? It's so soft. And I can cover my body with this. Do you like hair over face? I am wearing sporty outfit. I'm gonna change to other outfits soon, but I want to make hairstyles to fit with this style. Let's see what I'm gonna have. This is a very basic one. Is it big enough for you or is still small? This is the bun. I often do that when I work out. Normally, I would have more claw clip to tip my hair here to avoid the heaviness. And it's very difficult to make it loose. You gotta put your hand to open it. So the next bun is very common style for hair, bun drop. See? One again. See, it looks bigger than previous one. I think I should have a French braid. But first, I need to brush it to have it silky again.